Welcome to Research Rocks. Today we will see how to upload high quality reel on Instagram. This is very important tips and tricks if you are uploading day by day Instagram reel, and sometimes this reel is not high quality, like a low quality, or some people are not understand like a blur and all. So how to upload high quality reel using your smartphone? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So simply open here Instagram account, click here my account profile, 3 line, and here setting option. Inside the setting option, account options are available. You click account and scroll down here, data uses. Click the data uses and look at this here, use less mobile data and high quality is uploaded. Currently is off, simply on. And now I'm making my Instagram reel. So this reel comes in SD quality, high quality, upload data and use more data. So it's very simple tips and tricks. You can enable this two option and upload high quality Instagram reel. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.